Okay, so today we're gonna pull out the battery on this 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. It's pretty simple. All we're gonna do first is open up the remote, the key part, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this panel right here. All right. So when we open up the key, it gives us a place to use a screwdriver to kind of pry on this little panel up, and then it actually just popped right off. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. But this is it, and it goes right here just like this. But we're just prying on it right here. It'll just pop off like that. If you're doing it in the car, just watch out because you might lose it. And now, we're gonna turn it upside down. And there's a bunch of slots that you can choose from to where if you want to pry this battery out, we're gonna pry it out. Flathead screwdriver, this one at the bottom seems to be the best one. And you can just pry it out. I'll show you what size the battery is. Battery size is gonna be a CR2032. Now, if you notice that there's a positive sign here, that needs to be facing us, okay? Now, I'm going to put it in the remote. It's going to be upside down, but this is the top side of the remote first. All right, this is why it's going to have to go in first, because there's these little retainers right here. And we put it in there like that. Let me turn it back over. And what we do is just pop this back cover on. And we're all done, okay? Just like that, bam. Now, if you need a battery, look in the description box. There'll be a link to Amazon for the battery. If you need the size again, all that info is down there. And I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. And I hope you'd hit that like button for me. And hope to see you again later.